In this question, you have to identify the term that refers to the capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of the plant. Option A, differentiation. It is incorrect as it refers to the process when cells become specialized in structure and function. B, somatic hybridization. It is also incorrect as it involves the fusion of the somatic cells from two different plants to form a hybrid. C, totipotency. Now, totipotency is the ability of a single plant cell to regenerate into a whole plant under appropriate conditions. Thus, it is the correct option. D, micropropagation. It is also incorrect as it refers to a technique used to propagate plants in vitro using totipotent cells or tissues, but it is not the term describing the inherent capacity of a cell to regenerate a whole plant.